Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step top 5 secret settings feature on Samsung Galaxy M16 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Method 1, enable developer options menu. First, unlock your Galaxy phone and open the settings application. Scroll down and tap about phone. From there, open software information and look for the build number option. Tap on it 7 times quickly. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your device password or PIN. Once confirmed, you'll see a message saying developer mode has been turned on. Now go back to the main settings page and you'll notice a new menu called developer options at the bottom. This menu gives you access to advanced features like USB debugging, animation speeds, and more. Method 2, turn on edge lighting effects. Next, let's enable the cool edge lighting effect for notifications. Go to settings, then scroll down and tap on notifications. Then tap on notification pop-up style. Here choose edge lighting style. You can customize the color, effect, and duration according to your preference. Once you're satisfied, tap done to save your settings. Now, whenever you receive a message or notification, your screen edges will beautifully light up. Method 3, enable always on display AOD. To activate always, go to settings, go to scroll down and open the lock screen in AOD. Tap on always on display to turn it on. Then go to when to show and select always show. You can also customize the clock style, color, and what information is displayed. Lock your phone and you'll now see the time and notifications even when your screen is off. Method 4, turn on dual messenger apps. If you want to use 2 accounts for the same social app like Facebook or WhatsApp, Samsung makes it easy. Go to settings, then scroll down and go to advanced features, then scroll and open dual messenger. You'll see a list of supported apps. Toggle the switch next to your desired app, tap install and wait a few seconds. A duplicate version of the app will appear with an orange chain icon. You can now use 2 separate accounts on one device. Method 5, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Finally, let's enable Do Not Disturb mode to avoid unwanted interruptions. Go to settings, then scroll down and open notifications. Then go to the Do Not Disturb and toggle it on. You can schedule it, allow specific contacts or apps, and customize exceptions. This feature is perfect for meetings, sleeping, or focusing on work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.